y'all, thank you so much for being here. I'm really glad that you're on my channel and you're watching this video. It means the world to me. If you're new, I'm Kayla Faith. It's nice to meet you. I do videos like this from time to time. Actually, never one like this. I've never made a fall outfit video before, but I'm really excited about it, and I hope you are too. All of these outfits in this video are very affordable. I will link everything that I can down below for you all. If I cannot, it's because I got something from like Goodwill or Plato's Closet or something like that. I do shop there quite often. But I hope you get some good inspiration from these outfits. They don't have to be the exact same ones if you can't find them. You can always kind of put your own little twist on these outfits and make it your own, and I think that's even more fun, you know. But there are some really cute things in here. So some of them you're not even going to believe where I got them, like places like Amazon or, you know, just different places like that. And I try to find pieces that kind of look expensive without breaking the bank. Maybe some pieces that are a little kind of quirky and eclectic. I really love stuff like that. But yeah, without further ado, let's hop into the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks again for watching. Bye. The first outfit is a classic preppy style outfit. I think a really good pair of dark wash jeans are a must for fall. My favorite part of this outfit is the sweatshirt. I love the little ruffles on the neck and wrist, and I think it's so cute. It's kind of giving me major Betty Cooper vibes if you watch Riverdale. I think this next outfit may be my favorite one. Leopard print is so on trend this season, and this beige color just looks so pretty. I also love these boots, and you will not believe where this outfit came from. Check the links below to find out. For fall, I really like mixing textures, as you can see right here. I think that the velvet tank and the suede skirt paired together really add an element of luxury to this outfit. And then the combat boots kind of give the outfit like a little bit of an edgier feel. I love this for fall. An all-neutral outfit is my go-to for fall. You can really dress this one up or down, which I love. I also love putting brown and black together, as you can see right here. This moss green top is so soft, and would you believe it was less than $8? I've worn this next outfit quite a few times now. This dark cheddar colored cardigan has this soft popcorn texture, which makes it so warm and cozy. I absolutely love it. It's a little bit unexpected when it's paired with this striped dress, but I love how they look together. So that is it for this video. Let me know if y'all want to see more videos like this, and I'll be sure to do a winter version. Bye!